The holiday season is upon us, and food manufacturers across the globe are continuing to navigate the COVID-19 landscape. And what does it mean for sales? Well, there's a silver lining. When times are tough, people crave comfort foods. Take sweet baked goods, for example. The category was doing fine before the pandemic, but now it's doing better than ever. While in-store sales are down, sales of commercial sweet goods are up 5% compared to the same time last year. Donuts, muffins, pastries, you name it, Americans are looking for sweet comfort food to enjoy. But the way people are buying their baked goods is changing. Shoppers are making fewer trips to the supermarket and are shifting away from open-air cases, opting for prepackaged and multi-packed products. This is putting a greater emphasis on the need for products that will stay fresh in their pantries and give a sense of increased food safety and value. While food manufacturers and retailers adjust to the uncertain holiday season, it's critical they don't forgo quality and remember that when indulging, even during stressful times, consumers are still deeply concerned about premium experiences and freshness. Thanks for watching Fresh Perspective Food News. Stay up to date on the latest news by signing up at thebakerstake.com.